Jerry from AdventurousJeriLynn. Welcome. This is officially our first fall camping season. I'm gonna pan around. Got my nephew's truck, got the Jeep, we got the camper, got some nice scenery. We are parked at a camp. We are camping at a friend of the family. They have a beautiful land out here and they let us come out here and camp, and it's just so wonderful. Yeah. Hope everybody's doing well. Nice to see everybody. Sorry I'm looking a little rough here. We just got done unloading everything, and had to clean out the fridge. The fridge was, I don't know what happened there. There was some kind of strong smell going on, but yeah. But cleaned it out, got her done. So we'll be out here, let's see, today is Thursday, stay till Sunday, and just kind of take it easy. I think on tonight's menu we're gonna have hamburgers. Friday, no, this is Thursday. Hamburgers tonight, and then Friday, I think we're gonna have that poor man's meal where you get the foil and you put sausage and potatoes, onions, and carrots maybe. Yeah, we'll figure it out. And then you just wrap it up in foil and then you just put it on the grill. Actually, we found this free grill. I'll bring it over, show you. Got a quad out there just running around right now, and we got this for free. Somebody put it out, so there you have it. There she goes. Sorry it's so loud, I'm trying to get away from the... Woo! That was definitely a blooper. Got some water, charcoal. I'll try to walk back by here. Generator's kind of loud. Hopefully that's a little better. Ooh. Well, all right. Well, put in the comments below. Let me know. Have you did any fall camping yet? We are. Let's see. Join. I think this day and tomorrow are going to be the last of the 70s, and then it's going to like jump down to the 50s, and then below night. The night below is supposed to get like 35, I think, Saturday and Sunday. So, yep. Well, you see how quiet and remote it is? I'm so happy to see you guys. So good to see you. Well, we are going to get situated and figure out what we're going to do for the day, and I'll take some pics. I'll put them at the end. All right. Well, I want to say thanks for showing up and supporting the channel, and we'll see you out on the open road. Bye bye.